Hello everyone and welcome to Travel Hot List. Maui, known also as the Valley Isle, is the second largest Hawaiian island. The island adored for its world-famous beaches, the sacred Aiao Valley, views of migrating humpback whales during winter months, farm-to-table cuisine, and the magnificent sunrise and sunset from Haleakala. Maui is one of the most sought-after destinations in the world. If you are planning on traveling to Maui and want to know what it will be like, we have you covered. Here is a list of 19 top Maui experiences. Before we continue, please consider subscribing, it will really help our channel grow. Number 19. Shave Ice Snack. Cool off with a Hawaiian frozen dessert staple featuring local flavors like pineapple and coconut. Number 18. Ukulele lessons. Take a private or group lesson and learn to play Hawaii's homegrown instrument. Number 17. Coffee Farm Tour. Learn about coffee cultivation at a high-elevation plantation and sample a locally grown brew. Number 16. Coastal Golf. Tee up at one of Maui's picturesque golf courses, from sprawling resorts to quiet local clubs. Number 15. Stand-up paddleboarding. Take a private stand-up paddleboarding class in gentle waters, from several scenic locations. Number 14. Horseback riding. Take an adventurous horseback ride through tropical forest, a beach, mountains, or volcanic peaks. Number 13. Scenic ziplining. Zoom on a zipline high above a tropical setting, ranging from dense forest to Pacific coast. Number 12. Surfing lessons. Learn to ride the waves at one of the numerous surfing schools throughout the island. Number 11. Local seafood. Try local fish such as mahi-mahi, opa and wahoo at restaurants ranging from romantic to no frills. Number 10. Helicopter tour. Fly above the island's lush landscape, viewing sea cliffs, Haleakala Crater, waterfalls and more. Number 9. Sunset Cruise. Watch the sunset over the ocean and have dinner and drinks on an evening cruise, some with live music. Number 8. Farmers Market. Shop for tropical produce like starfruit and guava, plus local crafts, at an island farmers market. Number 7. Local shopping. Buy flip-flops, homegrown coffee, or artwork from a local boutique, or shop upscale brands at a mall. Number 6. Plantation Tram Tour. Join a tram ride through an expansive plantation growing crops such as sugarcane and tropical fruits. Number 5. Whale watching. Take a seasonal tour to view migrating North Pacific humpback whales, departing from Lahaina Harbor. Number 4. Pineapple Tour. See a working pineapple plantation and learn how the fruit is grown, then sample fresh varieties. Number 3. Hawaiian Luau. Experience Hawaii's culinary specialty with roasted kalua pig, local dishes and hula, or fire dancing. Number 2. Campground stays. Stay in a tent or cabin at campgrounds near an ocean, forest, or for the intrepid, inside a volcano. Number 1. Road to Hana Drive. Explore the 64-mile road to Hana, taking in cliffside vistas, waterfall pools, and botanical gardens.